In this video, we will put on this thread to a bobbin. To do it, first we will pull out the thread spindle and put on the thread on it. And the direction in which the spindle will spin is non-clockwise, so it is to the left. Before you can get the spindle to spin automatically, you have to manually roll the thread on the bobbin clockwise like this, and you can roll it for around 6 to 10 centimeters. And then put the bobbin on the hand wheel. If it is already installed like this, and if you step on the foot pedal, it shouldn't come off. But if the bobbin does fall out, you can hold the edge of the bobbin like this while also stepping on the foot pedal. But make sure not to grip the edge too tightly because otherwise it will not spin.